Hi, I'm Ananda Roy. I'm a senior product manager here at Synaptics, leading the Katana low-power vision product line. The Katana SoC is a high-performance multi-core platform that does AI inferencing for both audio and vision at ultra-low power levels. To enable AI model development, we have also created an evaluation kit. This evaluation kit lets you train your AI models, retrain them and optimize them for your application. Also, it comes with a wide array of interfaces that lets you interface with cameras, microphones, and other generic sensors such as accelerometers, gyroscopes, and so on. And this is how the evaluation kit looks. You can buy these by going to synaptics.com/katana. And then we also have a design win with one of our partners, Eta Compute, who has built a low-power vision sensor which does people counting and people detection using the Katana. Again, for more information, go to synaptics.com/katana.